Well, hello friends, welcome back to the channel Early on Time Watch Reviews. I'm Chris. I unbox and review budget watches. Today's video is being launched on September the 29th, 2024, a Sunday. It is the third unboxing of a cluster of collaborations that kind of came in all at once to the channel. This is the third of 5 watches that are going to be unboxed. I have another one coming from the influencer program of Aliexpress, another Pagani Design. I think a really cool watch to show you. In today's video, we're going to be looking at a watch from the Addies Dive Amazon store. This is the AD2044, homage to a Tudor Black Bay GMT. A really nice looking watch here. Addies Dive is really becoming, I think, the king of the budget watch on AliExpress for certain. This one, as I said, comes from the Amazon store. So I'll be highlighting the Amazon store where you can get that. And my viewers get a special discount, 10% off this watch when you purchase it using the code MERLY10 at checkout. This is not an affiliate link, and I don't get any kickback for this particular watch because I'm only highlighting the Amazon store as requested by the collaborator. And so I've been given free rein to express my feelings on the watch. I will not review a watch unless I can give my likes and my gripes, my personal opinion of the watch without any filter. And so they are okay with that. And so there you have the information that you need. Now let's take a look at the watch. This is the AD2044 by Addies Dive. All right, those of you that are familiar with the brand Addies Dive are familiar with the packaging. It comes packaged in this nice travel case. I actually really like these travel cases because you can fit a few watches in them and they'll be nicely protected as you travel. And so as we open this up, another reminder that on the review video of this, I'm going to have a segment that I call the viewers say what? And I would like to hear what your impressions are of the watch. So as we open it up, you can see the watch comes in a Ziploc bag to protect it. You get an unsigned warranty card, Addies Dive booklet, hang tag. You do get a tool removal for the bracelet, which is nice. And you can see I've removed 3 links to fit this watch to my 7.5-inch wrist. And so based on that, I would say if you have an 8-inch wrist or larger, the bracelet is likely not going to fit. So as we open up the watch, I got the white dial version of this. I'm a sucker for white dials. I'll also show you on the website in just a moment the other variations that you can get. Comes on this nice Jubilee bracelet. So before we spec it out, let's just zoom in and have a nice look at this. This is the AD2044 by Addies Dive. Nice white dial on this one. The brushing, I'll show you that on the side profile. And you got a signed crown there. I think the brushing for the price point is actually quite good. And you get a nice Jubilee bracelet, combination of polish and brushing, polished center links here, brushed outer links. And you get the Addies Dive logo embossed on the clasp there, which has a nice brushed finish and a bit of a chamfer edge on the outside. Double pusher deployant with a milled clasp. And there you have the case back, as you can see, with the Addies Dive logo etched onto that as well. So let me give you the basic specifications for this watch. We'll get Super Cali out. We are looking at a case dimension of 40, let's just say, let's get this out. Could be 39 mil here. 39 millimeter case diameter. You have a thickness of 14.5, we'll call it. You do have a lug width of 20 millimeters on the lugs here. Now this does taper down quite a bit to the clasp, so you got 20 tapering down to 15.5, and then at the clasp it is 17.5. So there is quite a bit of taper to that. And we'll do your lug to lug length as well, which is a true lug to lug length, and it's going to be 48 millimeters. And so, yeah, a nice looking watch. Also comes with a 120 click unidirectional bezel. I'll let you listen to that now. I will discuss everything in the full review, of course. Action on the bezel is pretty decent. It does line up if I get it to the right spot while I'm doing this on camera. There we go. So it lines up nicely as well. So let me take you to the website and show you what you can get this for, the other variation that you can get this in. And again, Merly 10 is a discount code that you can use at checkout for 10% off. And if you wait just a little bit longer from the release date of this video, Amazon Prime Days is coming up, and they will likely have an even better price on the watch during that. Plus you can use the 10% discount code at that time as well. So be checking for Amazon Prime Days, which I believe is October 6th to 8th, something like that. But you can do your own research on that, but it is coming up soon. Okay guys, so here's where you can get the watch and the different variations of the watch. Of course, this one is $154.91. You can also get the blacked out version for $154.91. A little bit cheaper at $143.44 is this really nice blue black kind of gradient dial. Now, if you use the code Merly10, again, you get 10% off on all these prices. Now, some of you might say, well, wait a minute, Chris, I can get this cheaper on Aliexpress. And while that is true, you have to factor in that the store owner is going to have costs associated with having the product on Amazon. And another very important thing in regards to the Amazon option, in my opinion, is the ability to have hassle-free returns. If you do have anything wrong with the watch, you won't have an issue ordering through Amazon and getting that thing returned. So here it is, guys, once again, and please check out the Addies Dive official website, which I will link in the description below as well. Okay, so we'll conclude the video, the unboxing, with the up-close and personal montage that I always do, and a wrist shot right at the end of that. This montage I do for every review, and so again, the viewers say, what? This is your opportunity to kind of get a closer look at the watch and let me know what you think in the comments below. I'll use some of those comments in the full review video. So here it is, the up-close and personal. Enjoy. And here's what the watch looks like on my 7.5-inch wrist. This one, it really is a looker. I really do dig this one. I would love to know what you guys think in the comments below. If you've watched this far, thank you for doing so. Please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel as well. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this watch. And we will see you in the next video. God bless you guys.